One of those very healthy salads. It's quite delicious, a bit different from my usual coleslaw. Looks pretty, and I think it's good enough for a special occasion. Usually I don't add any salt to the salads. If there is a lemon there, that's enough. A good kick of mint, which I like. It's delicious. Chop cabbages here as fine as you can manage. Both are quite tough. I love big portions, big dishes. Yeah, I have a problem cooking small amounts, so here it's very important. I learned it from my grandma even. I remember she used to say, always squeeze cabbage, massage it so it is softer, especially is that this particular cabbage is very, very tough. One medium carrot goes in, colors look good already, and I mix my salads as I go. Tender stem broccoli here, I just chop it very fine, raw as it is. Sugar snap peas, lovely, very fresh. I just cut them lengthwise in two. A handful of radishes, very fresh as well, so I just use mandolin cutter here. I love this tool. It makes me feel very professional, but mind your fingers. Of course, we have a bit of waste, which I'm eating now. So some spring onions here, white parts only. You can't have salad without any onion. Some fresh mint leaves here. It's very strong herb, so use it carefully to your taste. Ideally, I would use mayonnaise with cabbage salad, but these days I think it's more healthy to use cream cheese. It actually works out very well as long as you add there some mustards or some lemon. I don't do mustard here, just a lemon and olive oil. Mix it in, and it looks a bit too dry, so I'm adding some more of the same, and then I would just place some slices of peas and radish and mint leaves on top of the salad for a bit of color.